What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross here today with me today. I'm going to show you how to reset the scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance reminders on it, okay? This car actually has two, but it's going to be the same thing for both. Now we're going to use the steering wheel buttons we have right here, and we're going to be looking at our gauge cluster. What we're going to do is we're going to press down, and we're going to go down to the settings menu, okay? Let's zoom in here real quick. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll over to the right, and what we're looking for is this car and gear symbol here, which is vehicle settings, and we're going to press and hold down OK. That will let us into vehicle settings. Scroll down and we'll get to scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance. Okay, hit OK and go in here. Actually want to reset, hit yes. What you're going to have to do is hold down OK until it resets. She doesn't tell you that. Now go down to oil maintenance and hit OK. Go up to yes and press and hold down OK until it resets. And that's how you reset the scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance on a 2023 Toyota Cross. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.